welcome to my channel again. Hope you guys have been learning through my videos that I've been posting. I'm trying to record more, and right now it's taking a lot of time for me to do the editing. So I'm trying to hustle between my regular daytime job, my kids, cooking, and all the other lockdown stuff that you guys have been dealing with as well. So I'm trying my best to kind of work with the camera settings too. So forgive me for the shaky videos from the past couple of days, but this is a new setting here and I want to see how this one turns out. And thanks to all those who have been watching my videos and who have subscribed to my channel. So today we're going to see how to make a wrap with which would cost us less than $1. The complete credit to this wrap goes to my sister, who has been eating this almost every day, and she's been losing a lot of weight. And I love this wrap. My daughter also loves this wrap, so I thought I'll just share this with you. It's very easy to make. It takes less than maybe 5 to 7 minutes, I would say, to make this wrap. I just wanted to share this recipe with you guys so that you guys can also try it and let me know if you like it. So let's get started, I guess. So I have some chopped up veggies. As you can see, these are completely optional and you can add whatever veggies you like as per your taste, but we always have lettuce in stock at home because we all love salad, and we buy this at Costco, and we have onion and tomatoes, so I've chopped them up too. I have used almost quarter tomatoes and a quarter onion as well. I use red onions. You can use yellow or white onions, whatever you have at home, or you can skip it if you don't like onions as well. And sometimes I add jalapenos as well because I like it spicy. And the wrap you see here is a very large wrap, so that's why I've just cut half of it, because half is more than enough for me. But usually if more than one of us are eating the wrap at home, we kind of use the entire wrap and chop it up into two, and we just share it. I'm not sure if you guys are following me on Instagram, but I have posted a picture of this wrap several times on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, you should, to check out all of the yummy stuff we are making and eating during this quarantine or lockdown time. So let me show you the wrap that I buy usually from the Indian store. So this is the wrap that we recently bought from an Indian store in New Jersey, and we really love this one compared to the other wraps we got in the American stores, only because it's very soft, and as you can see, it's $4, but we're making only one wrap, so it is definitely less than $1, and it comes in a pack of 12. So this lasts for us for almost a week if we are eating wraps every day, and it is low in carb and very healthy as well, and it has a lot of fiber, as you can see. I don't want to look at these numbers. Let's go back to this view. But it's gluten-free, and it has low carb as well. So yeah, this is the wrap I'm using today. You also get it in spinach flavor. You'll get it in other red pepper and other flavors too, but we've been using this whole wheat one a lot, and we switch it around per our taste. So I have these chopped up vegetables, and I also have 2 egg whites here. I've separated out the yolks, so I just have the whites here. So this is a very balanced wrap because it has fiber, from onions and lettuce mostly. It has citric acid or vitamin C from the tomatoes, which will help us boost our immunity. It has protein, so it's going to keep you full. It has some fiber and less amount of carbs from the wrap itself. Now I'll show you how to make the wrap, but before I get started, I wanted to show you the ingredients as well. So I kept the egg white aside. I put a lot of sauce on my wrap, but whatever sauces I'm going to show you are completely optional, and if you guys want to skip some of the sauces, it's up to you, and if you want to add some more sauces, it's up to you as well. But I just pretty much take a spoon or half spoon of all of these sauces and kind of mix it up and put it on my wrap. So I use a little bit of mayo, but I mix up mayo with a garlic chutney that I get from the Indian store. If you can see, this is the chutney. It's called it's Prakash brand Kolhapuri Teja. It's a red chili garlic chutney. What I do is I take a little bit of this and mix it with mayo, and it tastes so good. You guys should definitely try it. If you're not able to get this, I'm sure that you can make red chili garlic chutney at home, all you have to do is crush some red peppers and garlic in a small mixer grinder and add some oil to it, and that's what it is. I'm pretty, it's very simple. So I add a little bit of that to mayo because mayo is pretty bland, so when you add this chutney to it, it makes it very spicy. So I use that, and then I use a little bit of ranch. I got the Great Value brand. You can buy whatever brand you want. I like spicy brown mustard, and I like my regular mustard too, so I add a dollop of both to the wrap as well. Of course, our family favorite, sriracha sauce. I add a lot of this. I mix it up with regular ketchup. So it's up to you guys. Again, there's a lot of sauce in here, but I add literally a dollop, maybe half a teaspoon of each, and just to make sure that the wrap is not too dry and it has all the flavors that I like. But if you guys don't want to skip, and if you guys are not able to find some of these sauces, you can just eat it with ketchup.
Is warming up. I'll show you how I mix up my sauces.
So I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo to the bowl. I'm gonna add that garlic chutney, just this much. It's very spicy, so just keep that in mind. I like my wrap spicy, so I put that much. Then I add a little bit of a pinch of mustard, regular mustard. Then I add a pinch of spicy mustard, as you can see. And I add a little bit of ranch. Oops. That should be enough. I don't like, ranch has really strong smell, so that should be enough. I don't like it too munchy, I guess. So I add a lot of sriracha. That's a lot. It's really, really spicy. So if you do not like your wrap spicy, do not put as much as I put in a wrap. And a little bit of ketchup so that it has the sweet element as well. And then I mix it up. Here we go. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my god, it looks so yummy and colorful. So I mix this up ahead of time so that when my wrap is ready, I don't have to waste time mixing it, and I just add it to the wrap itself. So, and it's all blended. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we have all the ingredients ready, and the tawa is getting warmed up as well, so I'll show you how to actually make it. So I'm gonna put the wrap on here. I'm just warming it up a little bit so it's nice and soft. Just turning up the heat a little bit. And flipping it. I don't want it too, see how the color is changing. I don't want it too hot as well, because then it would become too hard. So I'm just pressing it out. It's all over. As you can see, it's not too hot. That's why I'm able to like warming up the wrap. I don't want it too hot. I just want it to warm it up a little bit. As you can see, it's puffing. Now we're gonna add the egg to it. Second, I'm just gonna spread the egg out onto the wrap. And then I'm gonna let it cook. Basically, okay. I'm gonna let it cook for like a few seconds until the wrap is cooked and I can see. So I'm just gonna flip it so that it gets cooked. Don't mind about the shape. It's gonna go into your tummy and mix up anyway. I'm gonna turn off the gas because the egg can cook with the wrap is almost ready. So let me get it from the tawa. There we go. Okay, last pieces of it. So I'm just pushing all of the egg in here. So now, as I said, the sauce is ready. So I'm just gonna put the sauce on my wrap and spread it around. Again, if you like your wrap dry, you don't have to put this much sauce, but I love my sauces, as you can tell, I'm sure. You can change the combination. You can put less or more sauce. You know what? I'm gonna finish it up. Why save the rest? And I like it a lot. And I'm putting a lot. It might look like it's a lot, but with all the veggies going in, it's not a lot. It's very appropriate actually. So I'm gonna put in my onions first. I'm gonna spread it around, and then I'm gonna put my tomatoes. Then I'm gonna put my lettuce in there. I think that should be good enough. The rest of it I'll just eat it as salad. Okay, there we go. I have folded the wrap. Some of the veggies are coming out, the lettuce on the side. For a reason, I'll show you why. And some of the veggies are coming out, that's okay. I'll just use a fork to eat it as salad. Now, I have some sauce left over, right? So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna mix it up and use it as my side salad. Trust me, guys, this sauce is just everything. They should just, I don't know, name it Rajani sauce? I'm not sure. Or superstar sauce? Not sure. Some kind of name associated with my name because I invented it, basically. All right, there we go. We have some salad and some healthy wrap with some wheat tortilla for less than $1. I'm sure you're wondering, how is it less than $1 since we used like, I don't know, 8 to 10 sauces, but we literally used less than a teaspoon of each sauce. And as you saw, this is $4 for 12 tortillas. We're using only half of it. I'm using lettuce, and lettuce packet itself is like $3 or something. So it's less than $1, but the nutritional value is too high. This will boost your immunity. It's going to give you a lot of fiber into your system. It's going to strengthen your whole body, I guess, with the fiber and the protein and the vegetables. You can add additional vegetables like boiled broccoli, cooked cauliflower, whatever you want. You can stir fry the vegetables. You can add it in there. But I didn't want to spend too much time. I wanted to, make a dinner which would take me less than 5 minutes. And here we go. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like this video and tell me what else you want to see. And until the next video, hope you liked this video. Please do subscribe and follow the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Until I post the next video, I guess, ciao for now. Bye.